Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to teach you how to set up your Amazon CloudCam to notify you if you have fire or carbon monoxide or anything to that nature, such as leaving the gas furnace open or the stove running without the flame. So basically it will notify you if there is certain gas hazards in your house. So here's how you do it. The first thing you need to do is you need to click on your CloudCam app in your phone, and then you choose the camera you want to have that notification. So currently is the front yard. You could choose any other camera. Then go to settings, go to notifications, go all the way at the bottom, smoke, carbon monoxide alarm, and click on that. And then you can choose whether you want it to just record or notify you as well. Mine is already enabled. So if I'm away from home and there is a carbon monoxide leakage or fire or anything like that, it will notify me regardless where I'm at. Alright, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.